This forecast.
Goodness, you know what? And sometimes it's hard to actually really let it set in that we're talking about the third snowstorm so far in 2022, and it is just January 15th. This is not normal whatsoever, but they're the cards that were dealt, and we're going to look for the good in it, one of which is going to be happening on the weekend. Secondly, Martin Luther King Jr. Day is Monday, so a lot of schools are already out, and maybe you don't even have to go to work. Right now, 35 degrees to start off our morning, which is cooler than where we did start out yesterday. Roadways are looking great. As you know, TDOT is going to do their very best to treat these roads ahead of time to make sure you can get to your location as safe as possible. Our last snow system that we had a very dry day before the snow moved in. That was beneficial to these roadways. This time around, it's going to be a little bit on the wet side, making it a little bit more difficult to treat the roads as best as possible. So we're going to have to give a little bit of grace to where it is due. Right now we're coming in 31 degrees in Lawrenceburg to start off. There's quite the chill. A little bit of visibility issue in a handful of spots, but nothing too dense. Temperature-wise, we've got some 20s off across the plateau. 30s elsewhere with mostly clear skies. Now some clouds are going to try and creep in as we go throughout the day, and that is just prepping for our system to head in our direction. So here it is right here. I'm using the water vapor imagery to kind of help you a little bit know where we've got this atmosphere that's going to move into our area. Now it looks like as if it would miss us because it's just to our north. Well, the jet stream is going to push it down, and it's actually going to be almost, think about a ping pong ball. It starts to our north. It dips its way close enough to the Gulf to draw in a lot of moisture, and then on the increase back, it's going to lift its way across Middle Tennessee and Southern Kentucky. That is the prime setup for us to have snowfall. So for today, we are staying dry. We head our way into Saturday morning. We'll have a chance for 1 or 2 snowflakes, but then you're going to notice as temperatures slightly warm, we're going to have some really cold rain in place. By Saturday evening, this model has toned things down just a bit, keeping the rain even as we head into the 10, 11 o'clock time frame, but then quickly transitioning us over into snowfall because the cold air is already there, and you see the rest of the moisture to move in as we go overnight into Sunday, continuing throughout Sunday morning as well as into the afternoon before it will jet its way off to the north and east. As far as accumulations, don't get married to these numbers. The reason I'm even showing you this is to let you know bands are going to set up. Will they set up right here over Dixon, Nashville? Most likely not. This is not the gospel, but it's a good indication. Where we get these heavier bands, that's where we're going to see the most significant snowfall. All the models are showing something similar, but this will wobble a little to the north, even could wobble a little bit to the south. So we will have significant accumulation differences pending on where you are located. So what do you need to know? Well, today's the day. Do you need the diapers? I know we made a diaper run the other day. Do you have snacks? Maybe work on your taxes, because it is going to be a little dicey as far as the ground is concerned to treat the roadways ahead of this system because of the rain. Then we're going to notice that transitioning into snow. That's why we do have a Storm 5 weather alert throughout Sunday. Whatever falls sticks on Monday, as temperatures won't even get out of the 30s. We will notice some melting heading into next week, as will be dry Tuesday as well as Thursday, but some rain chances squirting right in the middle. Amy?
Nikki-Dee, I've got